Okay, so if you're watching my video right now, you might be wondering why a middle aged old woman from New York has driven over 1,000 miles to be hanging out in a former recording studio up in the wilderness in Canada, in the forest, in the trees, basically in the middle of the wilderness on a very picturesque lake. And there was a very long and complicated answer to that question. But at this moment in time, I'm going to give you a very short answer. And that would be that music that I love was created here. So I am going to try to do whatever I can to help save this place because I feel that someone has to, that it should be done. This is not only part of Canada's history, but this is part of music history. Um, Bands from Rush, Asia, Bowie, Bee Gees, A for Wine. The list goes on, like what usually happens when I talk about music. But I just feel that somebody has to do something. And I'm more than happy to try to get the ball rolling. And I would love to see the studios restored or even improved upon its former self. I do think this place created magic, and that's why it was called the Temple of Sound. It's sad to see it in its current state, but I hope to be back here someday and it won't look like this.